Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to work with heavily beaded fabrics like this one that I'm working with. It's really easy to work with this kind of fabrics if you know the right thing to do. So I use a foot called a half foot. Can you see it on my sewing machine? Okay, I use this half foot and it makes it very easy to sew heavily beaded fabrics. There won't be anything like your needles breaking or your thread cutting. It sews perfectly and it's really nice, guys. So watch me sew this fabric together. If you're just joining my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, share and turn on post notification so that you can see my new posts very easily. Now watch me do this, guys. Can you see how smoothly it is gliding over the fabric? This is really very nice. Glides over the fabric very easily. Nothing like the thread breaking, nothing like the needle breaking. Just watch how I'm sewing till the very end of this fabric. No issues whatsoever at all. This is just so perfect, guys. I love this foot. Once I'm done sewing, I'll take my scissors and cut off the threads, and of course I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on the inside. Just see how beautiful and neat it is. Perfectly sewn, no issue whatsoever. It's so beautiful. And then I'm going to do that on the other side as well. Still working with my half foot. This foot is available for sale, guys. If you need this foot, you can send me a message through the WhatsApp link that I'll be dropping in the description box. Okay, so just send a message to me and I'll make this food available to you. I can deliver it to you anywhere you are. If you found this tutorial helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Now I've done sewing it and this is what it looks like. I'm sure you love it too. We've come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next class. Bye.